Hi, I'm Sally Stover, and we are in my front yard in Central Gardens in Memphis in front of my little free neighborhood herb garden. So we had cleared out this flower bed and it needed something, and my neighbor suggested we put an herb garden in. It started just with people walking by and saying hey, and then a postcard came addressed to my house from somebody who was walking around the neighborhood who wrote me a note to say how much she enjoyed looking at the herb garden as she passed by every day. So we decided to make this a little free neighborhood herb garden. My daughter and I built a little house, and inside the little house we have paper bags and scissors, and we put a sign on it. My neighbor painted on the front, little free herb garden, and as folks are walking by, if they need a little oregano or if they want a little basil for their caprese salad that they're making, they can snip it off and put it in a paper bag and take it home. I know that I put 10 fresh paper bags in the little house on every Saturday, and then I go back and I see how many are gone, and there are at least 2 or 3 or 4 gone every week, so at least I have that many customers.